as this kind of warmth starts to return headed into tomorrow, you have the potential to see some strong, possibly even severe storms. So let's begin with that 19 first alert weather day. We're going to have two different rounds. One that comes through likely sometime mid to late morning into the early part of the afternoon. Then we get a little bit of a break before the cold front comes in Wednesday night, and that will also spark another line of storms. So there's a couple of different windows we want you to kind of be alerted about as we get this system a little bit closer. Today, no big issues outside of it just being chilly outside. You'll notice we're dealing with a lot of that cloud cover out there right now. There will be likely some clearing later today. You can actually see that just off to our west. So know that it'll take a little bit of time to finally mix in our direction. But our next system that we're going to be watching will develop out over Kansas later today. So we have a little bit of time before we really start to see that activity moving in. Live look from our first alert tower camera network as we look out over Parma. Lots of those cloud cover out there right now. Temperatures right around 34 degrees. With that north wind, though, it does feel much cooler than that. It feels closer to about the mid to upper 20s. And you'll notice that's a pretty common story no matter where you are across Northeast Ohio. But know that the farther south you are from the lakeshore, the more you'll be able to enjoy a little bit more of that heat as we go through the later part of today. If you're closer to the lakeshore, unfortunately, it's going to be a day where temperatures at best likely only make it mid to upper 30s. We will walk you through, though, when those storms can arrive into Northeast Ohio coming up in just a few minutes. And as always, dealing with today, and those warmer temperatures will come with another opportunity that we could see some storms. So it is a 19 first alert weather day tomorrow. Two different rounds we'll watch. A warm front that comes through during the daytime hours. Right now, the timing looks to be closer to, say, mid to late morning, early afternoon. So that could spark some showers and storms, some of which could be strong to severe. And then we'll wait on that cold front to roll through late tomorrow night, and that will likely bring a second round of storms. All types of severe weather hazards, though, they're on the table. So that means the damaging wind threat, the potential for hail, and an isolated tornado risk not off the table. In addition, we're also going to have some pretty heavy rainfall that's going to be working through as well. When you look at that severe weather risk, you'll notice the vast majority of Northeast Ohio under that level 2 out of 5 risk. What does that mean? It means we're likely going to be seeing scattered storms that are a bit more organized. And the farther west you go, the more you're likely going to run into some of that stronger activity. So please make sure you have several ways of staying alerted. That 19 First Alert weather app is a great tool to have with you because not only does it give you the alert if rain or even lightning's in the area, but if we have some of those severe weather alerts issued, you'll get them right at your fingertips, and you can check the latest forecast from the team as well. Today, not so warm, not so comfortable. We're going to stay into the 30s for the most part near the lakeshore. We'll walk you through how this kind of evolves with our temperatures through the rest of the week coming up in just a few minutes.